Hello everyone, it's Asatte Games. Today I am going to show you how you can have a Zelda style camera with default. To do this we are going to need a map with rooms, and I have this image I have created, and the rooms are 10 by 10 pixels, so we will need to scale this up a bit. But when creating your game you are going to need to create the rooms with the size you have set, and I will show you how you can find the correct size in a bit. First, I need to create a game object for the map, and I will add a sprite to it. You can right click, add component and sprite, or when you are on the object, if you press A and it shows you what you can add. On the sprite, I need to select an image. For this, I will first create an atlas named image atlas and add the image here. This is my image, and if we go back to our main collection, select the image atlas and map our map. Since each room is 10 by 10 and our display size is 960 to 640, we can scale it by that amount, and 960 by 96 by 64 because they are already 10 by 10, so we divided it by 10. After that, we are going to have a camera parent script. In our main collection, our camera has its game object as parent and it's the child of it, and the camera parent has this script. On the script, we first set the room size. I take these values from display. This smooth speed will set how smooth the transition between rooms will be. On init, we set our camera to show the game, and on the update function, we first take the player's position, then take camera's position, and calculate the target position, like on which room should the camera be. To do this, we first divide the player's position's x value by the room size x and take the lower end value. So like if this is 6.4, we are going to have 6, or 6.5, 6.7, we will have 6. This will give us the ID of the column where our camera should be when you divide the world by the room size, and we multiply it by the room size's x value to get the correct position, because this is the ID. Like we are on the 7th column, and if we multiply it by 960, we are going to be at the correct position. Then we add the half of the width of the screen to our target position to center it. If you don't add this part, you can only see the player in a quarter of the screen. We do the same, but for the height with Y value, and we don't change the Z value. After that, we use lerp from vector math to have a smooth transition between rooms. And this is basically it actually. Now let's try it with Ctrl B and test it. As you can see, player changes rooms and it works as intended. But if you look at it. We cannot see the player right now, and this is why I have said you will need to resize it a bit. We can't use the room size directly. To avoid player from disappearing, we need to select a smaller value for the room size, and let's scale them down a bit. I will going to divide this by 4 and multiply by 3. It's 720, and the same here is 480. But if you do this, you will see the rooms are actually shifted, and this doesn't work as intended. We need to make some changes on the map as well. First, we shifted this by the half of the size of the screen, but we need to shift it by actually half of the room size, so it's 360 and 240. 360 and 240, as well as the scale of it, again 72 and 48. If you do this and press Ctrl B to test, you will see we actually see the whole room with correct borders and everything seems to work fine. We are out of the map, and this is how you can have a Zelda style or Isaac style camera. If you put collisions around the map, except for the foresight, you can have an Isaac like camera as well. If you want to download this default project, you can find the link on the comment section. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.